Module 3, Lab 4, Task 1, scan beyond IDS firewall using various evasion techniques. All right, so on our Windows 11 machine, we're going to navigate to the control panel, and we're going to turn on the Windows firewall. System security, Windows Defender firewall. All right, firewall's on, and on. All right, minimize the control panel and click the search icon. And we're going to search for Wireshark. All right, the Wireshark Network Analyzer window appears. We'll ignore any update installs. Double-click on Ethernet and start a capture. All right, now we're going to switch over to the Parrot machine and open a Mate terminal window. sudo su, tour, cd enter to jump to the root directory. All right, in the terminal window, we're going to type in nmap, tac F for fragment, 10.10.1.11, and press enter. And although Windows Defender Firewall is turned on, you can still obtain results displaying all the TCP ports with the name of the services, as you can see on my desktop. All right, now we're going to click the Windows 11 machine. And observe the fragmented packets as captured by Wireshark. And if you maximize it, you'll see some references to reassemble. All right, click the Parrot box again. And this time we're going to do an nmap, tac G, 80, and 10.10.1.11. All right, in this command, we're using G or source port option to perform source port manipulation. And this time we're referencing port 80. All right, the results appear, displaying all the open TCP ports and the names of the services running on the ports. All right, so back to the Windows 11 machine. I keep wanting to say Windows 12 because we're in CEH 12. All right, let's scroll down, observe the packets. Again, lots of packets to observe, and there's all our scan packets. All right, now back to the Parrot machine. This time we'll do an nmap, tac MTU 8. And this is modifying the maximum transmission unit size and forcing fragmentation. All right, back to the Windows 11 machine. And again, scroll down to observe the packets. All right, back to the Parrot machine. And this time we'll do an nmap, tac capital D for decoys, random, :10 for 10 random addresses. (10.10.1.11) and press enter. And that will send out decoy addresses to make it more difficult to determine where the scan is coming from. All right, back to the Windows 11 machine. observe the packets. Back to the Parrot machine. Takes a bit to complete due to the randomization of the data. Just going to break it. And we'll do an nmap TAC ST, TCP connect, TAC PN, no ping, TAC spoof, TAC MAC, 0, target IP address. Oops. There we go. Double check my syntax on that. All right, the MAC 0 is randomized MAC addresses. ST performs a TCP connect full open scan, and PN is used to skip the host discovery. There's open ports. Now again, back to the Windows 11. And it kind of goes without saying that you can observe the packets received, but that's a whole lot of packets to be looking at. All right, so that shows us some of the various ways to potentially remain evasive, some of the options. And that concludes this demonstration of evading IDS and firewall using various evasion techniques in Nmap. Go ahead and close all open windows, and that completes our lab.